everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be doing a 3 looks 1 palette using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I'll also be including swatches. If you were wondering what other products I'm wearing or are going to be using, I'm going to be using the Essence lip color in Barely There, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair, the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Pencil, and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. So here are the swatches. The first one is Rose Gold, then we have Wild Child, then we have Summer, and Dreamer. Next is Celestial, Dazzling, and Drama. Next are the matte shades. First we have Base, Soul, Incense, and Love. And finally we have Passion, Eccentric, and Volatile. There are all the swatches. I love every single shade and they all have amazing formulas. The first look is a purple eyeshadow look. I'm going to start by applying concealer, as I will for each of the tutorials. I usually apply it with the applicator and rub it in with my fingers, as you see here. Next, set your primer using the shade Base. Next, I'm taking the shade Soul and I'm going to apply this in my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Celestial on my finger and apply this to the lid. Now I'm going to take the shade Drama on a different finger and apply this to the outer corner. Next, take a brush with the same shade and blend that into the crease. Then blend using the original brush. Next, apply Dreamer to the inner corner. Then put Soul and Drama on the lower lash line and finish off with mascara. Here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now on to the next one. The second look is a pink halo eye. Start of course with concealer and the shade Base, then blend Love into the crease. Now take the shade Passion and pack that on the inner and outer corners, and blend that into the crease. Next, apply the shade Rose Gold to the center of the lid and blend if needed. Now take Wild Child and put that on the center of the lid to make it pop even more. Then apply Dreamer into the inner corner and use the crease shades for the lower lash line, which were Love and Passion. Apply mascara, and you're done. The next look is a good for everyday wear. Of course, start with concealer, then take the shade Incense and blend that into the crease. Next, take the shade Volatile and put that on the outer corner and part of the crease. For the lid shade, I use Dazzling, but you could also use Summer in this look. Apply that to the first 2/3 of the lid. Blend as needed, then add Dreamer to the inner corner and Incense and Volatile to the lower lash line. Apply mascara, and you're done. Let me know down below which look was your favorite. So that concludes this video. I'm sorry the lighting is not the best. I'm still working on the best setup. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you!